Billy Wiz Tool Repairer back online, and I've got my Makita. It's a brushed little mini angle grinder, 18 volt. Before you do anything, obviously make sure your battery's out. I've actually taken off the blade as well, just in case anything untoward does happen. Better safe than sorry. But we're going to be changing the bushes, and these little access holes allow you to change them without having to take the whole bit of the kit apart. So you should just be able to get your screwdriver underneath here just to prise it up a little bit. Just you can see, get your hand there and you can take that off. That can go to one side, and you'll have this, which is normally screwed, and again just anti-clockwise, and you'll see it's come off in there, come off there, and that will give you access to the bushes itself. The bushes, this is a used one that I've just taken out. You can see that there, it's a lot smaller, it's worn, and it's not quite symmetrical. This is a brand new one. Let's put the two together so you can see that's a brand new one there, and that's an old one that has been used. That was not the problem, but that one on the right, that is the problem, that it fell apart. So my tool, even though I was putting full battery into it, it wasn't actually being able to grind or anything for longer than maybe 3 seconds or along those lines. So I got myself Makita original bushes, and like I said, you just take them off. You can then get the bushes out just by prising it. Don't go too hard, because you might not need to replace, you might only need to replace one like I did, but you should be able to just get your thing underneath there and just prise it out like that. Like that. This is a new one, and then when you do put it in, just obviously there's only one way you can put that in, because if you try, it's a rectangle basically, so you can't put it in that way. Put it in the correct way so the thing goes in, and then the number on the bushes should the number should be at the top there, so you can see it says 430, and you should be able to just slot that in. Sometimes they are a little bit trickier to get in, but just slot that in like that, and then that's it. That's that one changed basically. So now the other side is exactly the same. Nothing crazy, or you have to be anything good at DIY, but get that slotted in like that. So again, like I said, the rectangle has to fit in. It's only one way the rectangle can fit in. Numbers at the top. I don't know if the numbers make a difference, but when I took it apart, the numbers were at the top and the split was at the bottom. So I put it back the way I found it. And then that is it. That is the bushes changed. Like I said, that was the problem in my one. It was the fact that the whole copper wire had gone and was stopping it. And when that does happen, it's better to get the bushes changed ASAP, because otherwise you'll start wearing the bearings down and other things within the bit of kit. So that's how I'd recommend it. And then obviously screw that back on. Just like it is screwed, but it's not, doesn't go super tight. If I can get the thing in it, there we go. And then put it back together. Yeah, so just tighten that up like that, and then that just pops back on the same way as it came off, and you got new bushes in your grinder. Should, obviously mine isn't going to work, I've got no battery attached to it, but I'm pretty sure now that that will work absolutely hunky-dory and fine. And that is how you change the bushes in a Makita LXT and other the bush ones anyway, and get it working again. So thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe for more, and if you do have any problems with other tools, let me know, and I will. Okay, if I've got the tool, I'll try and learn how to fix it. Maybe I'll even get the tool and try and fix it, because I like fixing things, I like repairing things. So I don't like to be part of the consumer lifestyle where you just throw things away that break, you fix them again and keep them working. So thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe for more. Billy Wiz Game, or Billy Wiz Tool Fixer, over and eta.